If you want to start making money on Instagram without showing your face or creating content yourself, then you are in the right place. When I was 15, I started an Instagram account and quickly grew it to 30,000 followers and had millions of views, and then started making money. And to do that, I followed 4 really important steps. And so in this video, I will be talking about how to get the content you will be posting, the exact strategies that I used to reach 30,000 followers in just a few months, and how to actually make money from it in 4 detailed steps. The first thing that you have to do when starting your account is to select a really specific niche, so as to not waste your time just to get a few followers. I want you to be as specific about your niche as you can. For example, in my case, I wanted to post about anime, but if I were to just post about any anime out there, I would not be consistent and not be successful. Since your followers will check your account to see what you're posting, we want to give them just one thing to look at, not multiple other content. So I just decided to post memes and cool videos about an old animation called Avatar. By doing this, I would have much less competition and a much more loyal following base. And also you can check my account to see if I'm telling the truth or not. The name of the account was Avatar's World. So spend a bit of time to think about what niche you want to select to have a solid foundation. How to get the content to post. Now that you have selected your niche, you have to start posting. But since we don't want to show our face and create content from scratch, we have to take it from elsewhere. So to find and download the actual content that will get you views and followers, I use 2 strategies. First, to find good reels to post, I went on TikTok and search for the exact type of content that I was looking for. And when you do that, you will see that at the top of the page, there are already videos that went viral and got millions of views on TikTok. And those are the exact videos that we want to get. But just downloading them is not enough. Since if you try to download, you will see that there is a TikTok watermark at the video that we don't want in our account. So what I did to get rid of the watermark and have a high quality video was simple. Just go on Google and type download TikTok without watermark. And you will see there are bunch of different websites that are next to each other, and you can just click the one at the top. They all do the same thing. I personally use this one. You can also use it. It's safe. And after you open that website, go and paste your link that you got from the TikTok and download it. In this way, you will get the video without any watermark and it's ready to be posted. Now, when you're posting reels, there is one thing that I always did and you should too. And that is giving credits to the actual owner of the video. And it's really simple to do. Just write credit account name / TikTok. I've been doing this since I started and never had any problems, so make sure you do it as well. The second thing you should know is how to get the posts. Now, this one is a lot easier than the reels. Just go on Reddit and type the content you're searching for. There's a lot of subreddits you can choose from. For example, if you're doing business team memes, just type that and you will see a lot of subreddits. Click the one of them and select all-time top. In this way, you will find posts that you know will perform well. And you don't have to download these like we did on TikTok. Just take a screenshot and then crop the necessary parts and it's ready to be posted. With this type of content, you don't have to really concern yourself with giving credits, since it's kind of like an anonymous ownership that anyone can post. So now you know how to get your content. The next step is for you to learn what kind of strategy to use when posting. And that brings us to the next step, which is creating a posting strategy. You might have one of the best videos waiting to be posted, but if you don't know how to maximize your results, it would be a waste of resources. And so to actually get the best results, there are 2 things that you should pay attention to. First, frequency. In Instagram, something that will always benefit you is to be frequent. Since you will be posting multiple times a day, the chances of your videos going viral will be much higher than the ones who are not posting so much. Also, Instagram really values accounts that are frequent, so it might recommend you into other people's For You page. So the posting strategy that I used was a 3-hour cycle, which basically means posting once every 3 hours. And that means posting 8 times a day. Having this cycle of 3 hours helped me a lot to be frequent. And so that brings me to the next step in our strategy, and that is to be consistent. Now, what I mean by consistency isn't about just being disciplined. It means doing the same thing over and over again, which is why having that 3-hour cycle was really important for me. If you post every 3 hours, that means you will be able to post at the same time every day. It's the same thing with posting every 4 hours you get the idea. Last but not least, as a bonus tip, you should plan your posts. When I was doing this 5 years ago, Instagram did not have this feature, so I had to personally log in and do everything myself, which was not so efficient. But now you can plan your posts and be done with it before it's published. And to do that, you can download Meta Business Suite. It will be of help. And these are the core strategies that you should live by to be successful on Instagram. At least they always work for me, and I'm sure that you will be no different. Now, by doing these steps, we will be able to go viral quite fast. But our main goal from the start is to make money. And now that we have set the foundations, we can start working on it. How to start making money? The most important thing in making money on Instagram is to have the right audience. And since I assume you followed all the strategies that I gave you up until this point, the last thing you should know is how to earn money. There are a few ways of making money on Instagram, but the first thing that you will come across is paid advertisements. Since your accounts will be quite active, since you're posting really frequently, there will be a lot of people who will be willing to pay you to promote their products. And at this point, you should start deciding your advertisement costs. And even if you have only 10,000 followers, you should not really think of low prices, since your account will be quite active and get millions of views. Now, I'm not really sure about the marketplaces right now, so it's up to you. The second way you can start making money is by selling your own products, whether it be digital or physical. Depending on your niche, you can start selling ebooks or sell digital products like toys about an anime or something. The next way and the last way of making money could be affiliate marketing. Now, this one is much more easier than the first two because all you have to do is to get an affiliate link, which means a link to a product that once someone clicks on it and buys that product from your link, you will get a commission fee. And so to do this, for example, go to Amazon and get some affiliate links and then just paste that link into your bio and you will be able to make some passive income with it. So start right now since time is of essence and just dedicate 3 to 4 hours every week and you might see results pretty soon. If you have found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I am posting a new video every week, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.